Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the Travelers Club 20-inch spinner. I got it from Amazon in the cream color. Bluebell, the travel kitty, is joining us today. This is the main reason why I picked this piece of luggage, is this right here. Mix it or 86 it. We'll find out. The wheels are pretty good, I'd say 9 out of 10. The bumpers are plastic. I would prefer rubber, but that's okay. The handle is pretty sturdy. Here's the inside. Nice little convenient bag. That's the bar to the handle. That also is part of the handle. So you're gonna lose a little space on the right-hand side, and the wheels also take up some space. But it is fairly deep. The left side is nice. You don't have the handlebars to deal with, but the wheels are definitely gonna take up a little bit of space on the bottom part, but otherwise it's nice. There's no handle at the bottom, which is okay. Here is where I get the zipper stuck. While they are very nice zippers, I get it stuck of that nice little convenient bag that is attached to the liner. So I have to open it a little bit and wedge my hand in to pull the fabric out of the way in order to zip it up, which is fine. I'll just look out for that the next time I use it. While I like the handle and it is very sturdy, I feel like this is probably best for someone who needs to have two hands on their luggage. Someone who's probably used to maybe walking with a walker or just wants a little extra stability while they're walking. This would be perfect for them. I'm not totally in love with it. It's a no-go for me, but let me show you why. This right here. Because I can't put my backpack through that. I'm sure I could probably figure out a way to do it, but I really like that backpack and I don't want to add another strap to go around it. All in all, it's a nice bag, but I will be returning it. It just doesn't suit my needs. Bye bye. Here's what Amazon has to say about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. See you next time.